Articular cartilage is the covering of all bones in all joints. It's that white, shiny surface you see when you crack open the chicken wing. It's 5 times as slick as ice on ice. When you damage it, though, the friction increases, and that is what develops into arthritis. Articular cartilage repair is performed by a technique called articular cartilage paste grafting that we developed in 1991. Which creates a paste of articular cartilage and underlying bone, and when added to that damaged or arthritic area in the joint, could be the knee joint or ankle joint, you can regrow a section of articular cartilage that was previously damaged or arthritic. So articular cartilage regeneration is improving as we speak. We're now adding growth factors and stimulants to recruit the body's own stem cell-derived progenitor cells to the site of injury and stimulate a productive, healthy repair of the damaged articular cartilage.